intercepts a lot of solar power, 173,000 terawatts. That's 10,000 times more power than the planet's population uses. So, is it possible that one day the world could be completely reliant on solar energy? Utilizing the free, clean solar energy that hits our roofs every day seems to be in principle very bloody obvious. So, we are looking at our brand new solar powered installation in Cassà de la Selva factory, a 3,400 square meters panels, stretching away into the distance across these two roofs. As part of Kingspan Planet Passionate project, we are committed to increasing the use of direct renewable energy within our factories, and also to improving our energy efficiency by reducing the energy intensity of our processes, as well as increasing our generation of renewable energy.
This photovoltaic facility takes advantage of the 300 sunny days per year in the area, allowing to reduce the greenhouse gases emissions of Kingspan processes. Electricity generated around 700 megawatts hour per year will reduce yearly CO2 emissions in 100 tons. In 15 years, a total of more than 10 gigawatts hour will be produced, equivalent to the total plant consumption of 3 years, a forest of more than 10,000 trees.